Hello everyone, my name is Harin. Today I am here because I want to share with you something new. Do you want to speak English fluently? Answer is yes. So definitely I will tell you some tips, magical tips. So I am also doing this type of activity every day. I am improving a lot, you can see. And how did I do in yesterday and today? I am doing something new. So how can I improve my communication skills day by day? So I will tell you everything. What should I do and what you should I do? Okay, so first you will watch this video till the end. If you are watching this video till the end, you take benefit of this video. So let's get start the video. If you want to speak English fluently, are you a beginner? So yes, you definitely can speak English, but how? Because you watched so many video on YouTube, so you did not get idea how to start a speaking journey. So today I will tell you on my experience, because I am facing this type of problem. That is why I am here with all my subscriber and audience. Okay, so first point I would like to mention in my conversation, you should start speaking as much as possible, because you have to start. I become a perfect, so nobody has perfect. Okay, so how did question? Yeah, so first you have to purchase a grammar book. And do you have an idea how to make a sentence so you can speak English? After that you have to move next. Practice is that you have to speak in front of mirror. How will we happen? Then you go through in mirror, and what comes your mind, you have to speak. What will happen? Yes, your subconscious mind is working, and subconscious mind stores so many things, then need to deliver these type of words. Subconscious mind automatically send, and you speak in mouth. Yes, I am saying right, because I am doing this process every day. So you can see now I can speak English because of my practice and searching. I am searching lot of things. Definitely I will share with you. So first you have to go in front of mirror and speak what you speak. Little sentence, don't make a big sentence. You have to start a little sentence, short sentence. You can watch video. Do you have no idea? So you can watch my video available and short video here in my YouTube channel also. You can watch this type of video, how to speak and how to do practice. Yeah, so you have a idea. You have to idea how to speak English. Yeah, it's very important, because I want to become a fluent speaker. That is why I am here, or whatever I am facing. So I will share with you, because I cannot be edit this video a single time. What I come my mind, what I speak, I can never seen my mistake now. Then I have uploaded this video in my YouTube channel. After that I see this video, watch this video 3-2 times. After that I find out this on my mistake, what I do mistake doing speaking. Yes, so really want to speak English, so you should have a start. There is no shortcut to learn this language. You have to facing these type of problem every day. You will have to facing so many problems. Words are not come, my mind will be blank, so many things. So finally I would like to say, you have to start the journey as much as possible, because you are also late, I am also late, so I have started my journey. Okay, take care, bye bye. If you like my video, if you take advantage of this video, do you have any idea how to speak English, so please share and subscribe my channel. Okay,